everybody. Jim Williams here on the move. I'm in Wildwood, Florida, in the paradise of Central Florida here, and has been a beautiful sun-drenched day in the 70s, gorgeous, and now the sun is making its way over the horizon, and soon the shadows of night will be falling on us. The reason I wanted to make this quick video is because, you know, when you go to a truck stop, and they're all pretty much the same. They have the same fuel line, the same scales, same parking in one way or another, large, small, or whatever. Rarely do you find a truck stop with a petting zoo. And this is not just an ordinary petting zoo. This is a petting zoo for truck drivers. And can you just imagine the truck drivers that flock over here to this fence to spend time looking at these wild animals? What an awesome attraction. Let's take a look. Horses. And here's a horse hiding behind a palm tree and a bush. And another horse keeping watch. And to round out the attraction, a bomb, just to add a little color and excitement to the display. Wow. What length of expense does a truck stop go to provide such exciting attractions? No wonder so many truck drivers come here to park, relax, and refresh themselves.